Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to upload profile picture in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload a profile picture in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app, you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here, which is the profile interface of your Picsart account. And on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the pen icon available for us just beside the back arrow. Tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see your profile section over here. And on the middle over here, guys, you can see the person in a circle over here, and at the middle of that photo, or the middle bottom of that photo, there is a camera icon. Tap on the camera icon just above the person icon on your screen. Tap on it, and the choose button will appear over here. Tap on the choose, and either you will be able to upload it from your device, or you can just take a photo from your camera for your profile picture. And with that being said, guys, I'll be just tapping on a photo, and let's go. And with that being done, guys, after just tapping on the photo, it will be available on your phone, and you can zoom on it, you can position it wherever you like. And that being done, guys, tap on the apply button at the bottom of the screen, and your profile picture will be uploaded on your Picsart account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to upload a profile picture in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.